Today I'm gonna show you how we can embed a FlexCard in an OmniScript inside an OmniScript so that we can integrate a dynamic and reusable UI component within our guided process like in OmniScript. So this is our FlexCard. I already designed this one. If someone wants to see how I designed this, he can watch my previous video, so he will get to know. Today my goal is to import this flex card in my OmniScript and create a new OmniScript. So here we have a button, new button. I'm going here and write a name. So our name should be it should be OmniScript with a flex card. What about this opening? Okay, yeah, this look good. Type embed uh, flex card and subtype would be embed. So this is a good practice if we write a little description here. So I'm gonna write a description. Embedding flex card inside an Omni script. Good. Okay, that is good. Save. Now we are in the OmniScript editor. So here we have a step, and on my left side there's a lot of elements. The OmniScript element like actions, display, function, group, input, OmniScript. So my goal is to embed this flex card in this OmniScript. So I'm gonna go with this Lightning Web component, just drag and drop from here to in my canvas. Um, write the name of this custom web component. I'm gonna like let's write custom LWC. It's good here. For for demo. Demo is the name of my flex card. Actually, demo. So this is the one. I mean, I have to mention the name of my flex card in this input block. So the name is demo and the version is 2. So I'm using the current version 2 in this flex card. So here we have CF demo 2 and Trinity is the author of this flex card. So I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, now we have the property name like custom LWC properties. So I'm gonna write here. So this record ID, and it should be the same. It should be the same. I mean, it's kind of a reserve word in the OmniScript. So basically, what it do is it basically get the record ID from the context ID, from the current context. Uh, and the property source, it should be context ID, but it should be in the percentage sign. So here, context ID. Now it's look good. Let's go to setup. Mention here the context. Context ID. Okay, now it's look good. The property is good. We are done here. So in order to view the flex card inside in OmniScript, we have to activate this OmniScript. But before activation this OmniScript, I have to take a look the flex card, so that the flex card, that flex card that is going to import in this OmniScript. So what I'm looking in this flex card, I need to check it should be active, which is not. I need to activate this, and before activate, I have to check this checkbox, the OmniScripts port. Let's check the input element. Yes, it's good. Context ID, the record ID, and these are the testing parameters. Let's save it, fetch it. See, yes, we are getting the information here. So it's also look good. Yeah, everything is fine here. Now go ahead and activate this FlexCard. So that's the good thing here. Now just preview it. If we can see the FlexCard, yes, it looks good. Now come back to the OmniScript. So yeah, the record ID. Okay, now this is the verbal typo mistake. Apology. Okay, it's context ID. Good. Good. Now we can active this and let's see what it's showing. Okay. Before I just need to like little refresh here so that you get to know. Okay, now it's look good. So for testing purposes, I'm using this contact Mrs. Barbara Levy. So I'm copy and paste the record ID of this because I want to see her information in my OmniScript using the FlexCard. So let's go and preview for the context ID. I'm writing this here. Anyway, we are getting this information here, but there is an error. So you might need to refresh this page. So it's it's mostly time it come from the cache, but don't you worry about it. You can see the error is gone now. The OmniScript error is gone now. FYI, if this error if this error rise on your end, there are a couple of options. Check if check that if your configuration for embedding the this embedding the flex card inside the OmniScript are correct. The next option, try to check the configuration on FlexCard and Omni Studio and OmniScript both sides. If you still not find the error, then try to remove or delete your cache, browser cache, and check and and preview. If this error is still not gone, then you have to re-import the FlexCard or re-import the FlexCard inside your OmniScript. Then hopefully you will not see this error then. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my video.